Well, good Saturday evening. 6:32 is when we are recording this. Look at all the sunshine out there. Beautiful sunny skies. Out the door looking out over Business Loop. 51 degrees, not terrible, about 10 degrees shy of our average for this time of the year, but cool is better than cloudy and rainy, right? We will be looking at more chances for cloud covers. We head into your Sunday. We're tracking our next little wave. You can kind of see the disturbance just to the northwest of Omaha. Let me bounce over. Here we go. That's going to slide right into mid-Missouri as we get into the early morning hours tomorrow. It likely doesn't result in any precipitation. We will see likely some returns on radar, and it's going to show up here in just a second on Future Track along with that extra cloud cover. But we're so dry at the surface, we've got a really dry gap of air between our heads here at the surface and that moisture up at the upper levels of the atmosphere. So it's got to fall through that layer of dry air, and it's likely that all of that starts to evaporate before it hits the ground. Now, am I going to rule out a drop of rain or two, especially in the southwestern edge of our viewing area? No, it's possible, but it looks largely like a dry day. You should be able to get out and walk the dog without any problem. If we take a look at our upper level flow, you can see that pathway here that little disturbance is taking. In fact, you see these little yellow dots there start to show up. That's what we're looking at. It's very minimal. It's not much. There's just enough there to work with, but that passes on without much issue. We're looking at a little bit of warming into the early part of the week next week, but we really start to see it show up right out ahead of this next system that rolls through. You can see this big dip in the upper level flow. Partnered with that is a good kick up of energy for us as we head in towards Tuesday and Wednesday. That will likely be the front that rolls through and brings a chance for showers and storms as we get into your Wednesday. So let's talk about the moisture that's going to go with this. Right now we're really dry out there, just enough to maybe get something going on Sunday, but again, that dry air lower in the atmosphere really limits that. But as we head into Wednesday, Tuesday night into Wednesday, you see all this green and yellow. That brings up just enough moisture to produce showers and storms likely with this next system that rolls on through. And of course that will roll through, and we're looking at more of that dry air behind as we get into days like Friday and Saturday. So next weekend is looking all right, but we've got to get through Tuesday night, most of Wednesday, and then maybe even Thursday morning where we'll see a chance for a few showers, some colder air as well back in there. We'll get back above average on Wednesday and Tuesday for that matter, but we're back below average with temperatures in the 50s through next weekend.